Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Name, back with another video. Today, we're diving deep into boosting your metabolism and torching those stubborn fat cells. Let's be real, who doesn't want to feel more energized and fit into their favorite jeans again? There's no magic pill for weight loss. But there are definitely things you can do to give your metabolism a nudge. And guess what? It all starts with the foods you eat. Throughout this video, I'm sharing 10 of my favorite foods that can help boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic, green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, which boosts metabolism. Studies show EGCG can increase calorie burn at rest and during exercise by boosting fat breakdown enzymes. So next time you're looking for a healthy beverage, reach for a cup of green tea. Next up, we've got chili peppers, the ultimate metabolism-boosting spice. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which increases thermogenesis, the process of generating heat and burning calories. Capsaicin can also suppress appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. So if you can handle the heat, adding chili peppers to your diet is a great way to fire up your metabolism. Let's be honest, most of us can't start our day without coffee. The caffeine in coffee is a stimulant that can increase your metabolic rate and help you burn more calories. It boosts your central nervous system, increasing energy levels and calorie expenditure. But remember, moderation is key to avoid unwanted side effects. Ginger is another powerful ingredient used for centuries in traditional medicine. This root contains gingerols, which have thermogenic properties, boosting body temperature and metabolism. Studies show ginger can increase calorie expenditure, reduce appetite, and block new fat cells. Enjoy ginger in smoothies, stir-fries, teas, or make ginger shots for a quick metabolism boost. Apple cider vinegar has become popular for good reason. It contains acetic acid, which increases insulin sensitivity and improves blood sugar control, reducing fat storage. Apple cider vinegar can also help you feel fuller longer, preventing overeating. Add a tablespoon to water or use it in salad dressings. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues and boosting metabolism. It has a higher thermic effect than carbs and fats, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. Include lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu in your diet. Protein helps you feel fuller longer and reduces cravings. When it comes to carbs, choose whole grains over refined ones. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are packed with fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Fiber regulates blood sugar levels and promotes a healthy gut microbiome, linked to a healthier metabolism. Switch to whole grains for sustained energy and a more efficient metabolism. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats. MCTs are quickly absorbed and used for energy, not stored as fat. Studies show MCTs can increase metabolism, reduce appetite, and improve brain function. Add coconut oil to smoothies, use it for cooking, or add a spoonful to your coffee. Berries are nutritional powerhouses packed with antioxidants, fiber, and beneficial compounds. Antioxidants protect cells from damage, supporting metabolic function. Berries are low in calories and sugar, making them great for satisfying your sweet tooth without sabotaging weight loss. Enjoy a variety of berries in your breakfast, yogurt, smoothies, or as a snack. Water is essential for overall health and maintaining a healthy metabolism. It plays a vital role in nutrient transportation, waste removal, and body temperature regulation. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. So there you have it, guys. 10 incredible foods to boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Remember, incorporating these foods is just one piece of the puzzle. Combine a healthy diet with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep for a holistic approach. Check out the free report I've put together for more tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep crushing it. Crushing.